Unlocking simplicity, the power of, let's simplify this. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a very handy phrase, let's simplify this. It's a phrase that you might come across in various contexts, whether in a classroom, a workplace, or even in day-to-day conversations. Understanding what it means and when to use it can not only enhance your English communication skills but also help you navigate complex situations with ease. So, let's break it down together. The phrase, let's simplify this, is an invitation to make something less complicated or easier to understand. It implies that the current topic, problem, or situation is perceived as complex or challenging, and there's a need to break it down into simpler, more manageable parts. This can apply to explanations, instructions, plans, and even physical objects or designs. When someone says, let's simplify this, they are essentially saying, let's find an easier way to approach or understand this. It's a collaborative call to action, suggesting that both the speaker and the listener work together to find a simpler solution or explanation. In academic and learning environments, in classrooms or study groups, let's simplify this can be used to suggest breaking down complex theories or problems into simpler concepts. It's a way to ensure that everyone has a clear understanding before moving forward. In the workplace, in professional settings, this phrase can be used during meetings or project planning sessions. It might suggest simplifying a workflow, a project plan, or even a product design to make it more user-friendly and efficient. In daily life, let's simplify this can also be applied to everyday scenarios, such as planning an event or explaining how to use a new gadget. It's about making information or tasks more accessible and less overwhelming. Let's see how this phrase can be used in real-life situations. Academic context. A teacher notices students struggling with a concept and says, let's simplify this, before breaking the concept down into more digestible parts. Workplace scenario. A team is overwhelmed with a complex project, and the leader suggests, let's simplify this, proposing a more straightforward approach to tackle the project. Daily conversation. Trying to explain a smartphone feature to a friend, you might say, let's simplify this, and then give a basic, easy-to-understand explanation. Understanding and using the phrase, let's simplify this, can be a game-changer in how you communicate and solve problems. It's about promoting clarity, efficiency, and inclusiveness in understanding. We hope this video has made the concept clearer and that you feel more comfortable using this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, sometimes the most effective way to move forward is to take a step back and simplify. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.